Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to change voicemail greeting on your iPhone. So let's get started. So this I'm going to show you. First of all, you need to go over here, tap on the phone icon. Now from here you have to go to, at the bottom you can see we have various options. Tap on voicemail. Now when you tap on the voicemail, you have to tap on the greetings and all. You have to make few changes, but for some users they may not be having this particular option. So if that is the case, what you need to do is I'll be showing you what you have to do in the next step. So you have to wait for that. If you don't find the voicemail here, you don't have to do anything. I'll show you in the next step. So the first one, if you're able to see the voicemail here, what you need to do is just go over here, tap on the voicemail. Then you have to go over here, tap on the greetings. Now from here, as you can see, by default, whenever someone calls you, they get this particular message.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
So this is by the usual way people get it. And if you want to change with this sound, what you need to do is just go over here, tap on the custom. And now you have to, once you change into the custom, you have to tap on the record. So my voices will be recorded, and that will be given as a voicemail whenever someone tries to pick you up. So what you need to do is just go over here, tap on the record. Hey, this is my voicemail. If you're trying to reach me, I'm currently busy and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Have a nice day. So this is what I have given, and I'm going to stop it, right? And once I'm going to play it, so I have set it at my voicemail over there. So whenever someone trying to call me, they're going to get it. So if you feel like it's irritating, you can just go back to the default one, or you can go to the custom if you want it. Then you have to record it every single time as per your need, right? So I'll keep this on default. So this is for this particular models. If you find the voicemail here, so if you don't find it, then you have to follow the instructions on this particular device, right? So if you don't find it, let me unlock this. So if I tap on the phone icon, and if I don't find the voicemail here, as you can see there is no voicemail, then what should I do? So to do so, what I need to do is just go over here, tap on the vertical over here, kind of a hamburger button is right there. You just need to tap on it. Now we have various options like calls, missed, voicemail. Tap on the voicemail. So once you get into the voicemail, you will be having all tons of voicemail here, whatever that you have recorded so far, and you can delete it if you wanted, you can change it, and you can make all kind of things. So that's it. And like I said, if you find this particular video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more these kind of videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.